Hi, I decided to do my presentation on a client of mine that was my first client who I was able to witness EMDR. My client is a 26-year-old white female who presented with anxiety. She was self-referred because she felt that her anxiety was hindering her daily activities with her husband. My client shared that she had a overwhelming fear that her husband would die in a car accident. Although her and her husband have never been in car accidents, she just had a fear that he would die in a car accident. The car accident will only happen if she asked her husband to go to the grocery store after work, or if he stopped at the grocery store without telling her and he would get in a car accident. She felt that if they got into a car accident while going to the grocery store, if she was there, it would be okay because she would be able to help somehow prevent the accident or block and save him from being extremely hurt. My client shared that she likes to be in control and likes to be perfect. So I feel that that is contributing to her overwhelming anxiety. I'm unsure as to why it had to deal with car accidents with her husband. My client also shared that she was going on a work trip for 2 weeks, and I think that is the presenting problem as to what brought up her anxiety, because she was going to be leaving her husband. That's pretty much the gist in the bulk of my client, and up next will be my role play.